Hey guys, welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. So for today's video, we're going to be checking out this backpack, so let's get started. So guys, the backpack came in a box and came wrapped up, nice and protected. So guys, for this backpack, it is pullable, so it makes it really nice, and all you guys have to do is slide down both legs right in here. And you can now use this as a cart. What you'll do is you'll put it like this, the two holes facing out, and then you push both legs down the whole way, open up your backpack, and inside your backpack you're going to find a screwdriver with two screws. The screws are going to go right in here once you have both legs down the whole way, just like that. And now you have the dolly. So press in the button here, and that allows you to lift it up extremely high. So very, very high. So you're going to take your backpack and then you're going to put the handle straight up through here on the back. The manual, it's real easy to follow, guys. So they make it super simple. Anyone can do this. Alright guys, so this is what the backpack actually looks like. It's got this cool, almost like outer space feel to it. You got a pocket in the front right here. A zipper pocket. Nice little pocket. You have a pocket right up here as well. So that's good for maybe pencils and stuff like that. You also have this other bigger pocket that goes deep inside with another pocket. That's a mesh pocket inside there as well. Then you got your main pocket, and that's really deep. You got a pocket within that pocket as well. You can put stuff on the side here, so a net on the side. Same for the other side as well. You have your strap to put it around, but as you guys can see, very nice, easy for carrying around. And again, you don't have to use this if you don't want. You can use the backpack as a normal backpack because you have your normal straps that are padded. So it's really nice. Also, they give you a lunchbox, or some people have used this for storage as well, and that can go right inside. Inside the lunchbox, you also have another pocket. You can use this for pencils. You can use this for money. You can use this for whatever you want. The lunchbox is insulated as well. Overall, guys, it's a nice backpack. I think your kid's gonna love it.